and she's like, okay. Put the pillow.
Yeah. I'll prop the hats right here. Can't even look up.
Can't shove it.
My God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. We finally made it. Watch me going the wrong way, too. Right there, it's right there. Where the fuck is it? Oh my God. Oh my God, I was going the wrong way. I know. Fuck, I'm looking back. How you doing, Rosie? What you doing, Rosie? That's just a bike too. We'll be right back. For real? Yeah. That boy did some Duke Dennis riz on my ass.
It's right there. Look, you can literally see it.
No, I know, but like they don't have wraps at fucking Ralph's.
You can, hey.
Footage just in case.
Oh shit.
Always calling back up. Oh shit. Oh fuck, that shit is fucking cold. Oh. Steep from my eyes. I don't know about that. I went in fucking neutral.
But as long as you get over that rock hill, you'll be fine.
Alright. $360. POV, we know. What is it called again? Pad POV.
Still recording.